breezes still. She's the heart of all seasons, a mother to my soul. When the century is over and the shipping days are done, like a child for the first time, I lie here again